Goodyear Malaysia has officially replaced the popular and long-running Goodyear NCT5 tyre. The NCT5 model has been produced since the late 1990s. It has been receiving upgrades to its rubber compound. It has essentially been the same tyre all of these years. Now, the Goodyear Assurance TripleMax 2 has been launched, and Goodyear Malaysia says that this is the official successor to the NCT5. The new Assurance TripleMax 2 can achieve better braking on wet roads. It also offers better handling and comfort for its price and market segment.
Take charge with Goodyear. The Assurance TripleMax 2 is designed to give you the added assurance and confidence on the road. Rainy days and surprises on the road are beyond your control, and it can pose a real challenge to drivers and road users. The Assurance TripleMax 2 with the new HydroTread technology is designed with boosted compound formulation with additional adhesive resin for better traction, achieving shorter wet braking distance when compared to other key competitors. The Assurance TripleMax 2 is designed for better handling, steering and cornering performance when engaging turns and curvy roads. The Goodyear Assurance TripleMax 2 allows you and your family to enjoy a more comfortable and quieter ride. For shorter braking distance, better handling performance, and a more comfortable ride, choose Goodyear.
The tyre is already available at Goodyear dealers nationwide.